have already been on a stick hunt. So I am going to create V, W, X, Y, and Z out of sticks. The sticks that you will need are big lines and little lines. Remember, all of these letters start at the smiley face. Let's draw a smiley face. I have some chalk. Here's my smiley face. Now let's start to make our sliding down to the alphabet letters. Let's start with V. Start at the smiley face, slide down, slide up. Now let's trace it. Slide down, slide up. Our next letter is W. The cool thing about W is that actually we can keep our V. We just have to do it again. See this? Ready? Slide down, slide up, do it again. Good job. Now let's try X. Remember, start at the smiley face. Slide down, slide down. Let's trace. Slide down, slide down. Let's do Y. So now with Y, we have to use one of our little lines. See, we have a little line here. And now we can use our big line. Slide down, stop, slide all the way down. And now let's use two little lines and a big line to form Z. Go across, slide down, go across. Let's trace. Go across, slide down, go across. Good job forming your V, W, X, Y, and Z, sliding down to the end of the alphabet letters.